In 2017, the U.S. rapper Bobby Ray Simmons Jr. started a crowdfunding campaign to launch a satellite. The rapper, a vocal proponent of flat Earth theory, wanted to seek evidence that our planet is a disk, not a globe. His aim was to raise $200,000, later up to $1 million, on the GoFundMe website, with the aim of sending one or more craft into space to help him find the curve, the term that flat earthers use to describe the edge of our supposed disc-shaped planet. Despite appearing as a potential joke or publicity stunt, rapper b.o.b's Flat Earth campaign is reflective of a concerning trend in the growing number of individuals subscribing to flat Earth theories. While there is no substantial evidence of significant fundraising or goal achievement, an annual Flat Earth conference in the U.S. and a proliferation of related videos on platforms like YouTube indicate a rising interest in such beliefs. Physicists dismiss the notion of a flat Earth, but the idea gains traction, especially among those susceptible to conspiracy theories. A circular history. The concept of a spherical Earth was solidified by ancient Greek philosophers like Aristotle and further substantiated by subsequent historical developments. However, flat Earth beliefs emerged in the 1800s as a reactionary response to scientific advancements. The International Flat Earth Research Society, initiated in 1956, was initially perceived as eccentric British symbolism, but resurfaced in the early 2000s, gaining momentum through online forums and events like the annual Flat Earth Conference. Within this fringe movement, diverse models exist, proposing scenarios such as an ice wall surrounding the Earth's edges or a snow globe encapsulating the flat planet. Flat earthers often suggest unconventional ideas about the sun's movement and reject gravity, presenting varied models like the US model and the UK model. Despite scientific evidence supporting a spherical Earth, these beliefs persist, reflecting a unique blend of skepticism and unconventional theories within the modern era. Flat Earth ideas, while dismissed by physicists, are gaining traction globally. In Europe, although not as numerous, Flat Earth believers are vocal. Conspiracy mentality. Flat Earthers can't be easily dismissed as uneducated, as research indicates varying scientific literacy levels among them. According to psychologist Achille Landrum at Texas Tech, it's not solely an education issue but stems from a broader distrust of authorities, embodying both a conspiracy mentality and a religiosity-like belief. This mindset, linked to science denial and social media influence, extends beyond the stereotypical fringe group, reflecting a compromised ability to discern trustworthiness. Flat Earthers distrust not only scientists, but institutions like NASA, seeing them as part of a grand conspiracy. Philosopher Lee McIntyre notes their belief in multiple conspiracies, such as government weather control and chemtrails, highlighting their entrenched stance, particularly on the moon landing's authenticity, which they universally reject despite evidence. The emphasis often lies more on endorsing conspiracies than constructing a viable flat Earth model, proving the Earth isn't flat. Philosopher Lee McIntyre's investigation into science denial led him to the 2018 Flat Earth Conference in Denver, aiming to counter flat Earth ideas by understanding their mindset. McIntyre aimed to employ similar techniques against climate change deniers and anti-vaxxers, recognizing the shared foundation of fallacies and scientific misconceptions. For instance, the pendulum's changing direction during a day directly demonstrates Earth's rotation, challenging flat Earth claims. Explaining evidence for a spherical Earth becomes a valuable critical thinking exercise for physics students, showcasing the fundamental flaws in flat Earth assertions. Flat Earthers, having a low standard of evidence for beliefs, place unwarranted faith in tools like the Nikon P900 camera to challenge conventional views. Physicists Bruce Sherwood and Derek Roth challenged flat Earth beliefs by creating a 3D computer simulation based on the US flat Earth model. The simulation reveals significant discrepancies, such as the sun's size and brightness varying unrealistically, and the night sky behaving differently from actual observations. This approach, taking flat Earth views seriously and showcasing their consequences, makes it harder for proponents to dismiss and provides a basis for physicists to counter flat Earth ideas more effectively.